Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing my new nail drill. So the reason why I got a new nail drill is because this one that I usually use, it has a shortage in the cord, I think, and it just vibrates a lot, and I always have to change the handpiece because the handpiece that comes with it always messes up, like it never fails. So I decided to just go ahead and upgrade. I've heard a lot of good things about this drill, so I decided to just go ahead and purchase it. So it is the JD700 drill by Makartt, and yeah, it's purple, it's pretty, and I've heard a lot of good things about it, so I decided to buy it. So I purchased this from Amazon, and it came pretty quickly actually, and yeah, I really don't have much to say about it. You know, I can give you guys an update once I start using it, and I'll give you the update in like a month or so. But once you open the box, you have this pamphlet, and on the back of it, it just tells you a lot of information, like what comes in the box and then your warranty and stuff. And for the actual drill, it comes in compartments. So in this side right here, you have the actual base of the drill, and this is what it looks like. It's very heavy, but you know, it's good. I did want a white drill or black, but they only had purple, so I decided to just go ahead and get it because I did hear a lot of good things about it, and I decided, you know, the color really doesn't matter as long as it works. Right, so in this section you have 30 sanding bands, and you get them in different grits, which is 180, 120, and 80, I think, or maybe even 100. And then you also get a foot pedal. I have never used the foot pedal before. I hear a lot of people like the foot pedal, and I know that a lot of nail shops use it, but I'm good with controlling the drill myself, because I think with the foot pedal you can't control how fast or how slow it goes, so I'd rather just control the drill myself. But you know, it does come with it if you do like having a foot pedal. Right, it also comes with this handpiece wrist, and it's just the standard one that you get with almost all drills, and it's flexible and stuff. Nothing special, it's just clear, and you just sit your handpiece in there when you're not using it anymore. Okay, it also comes with 4 drill bits, and this is what they look like. Standard drill bits that almost all drills come with, but the only difference is their, what's it called, I think it's mandrel or something. Their mandrel drill bit is black, and usually they come silver. But I really like this one because I bought some drill bits from AliExpress, and they are way too big for the drill bit that I have now, which is a silver one. Meaning they always fall off while I'm filing the nail. And before I started recording, I did test it out, and these drill bits do work really good with this one, so that's nice to know. Okay, and then in this compartment right here is the handpiece, and the handpiece comes completely separate in this little box. I like how everything is separate, because some companies just throw your stuff in the box pretty much, and everything is all on top of each other, which gives you no security, really. But okay, I'm trying to open this with one hand, so alright. So this is what the handpiece looks like. Your standard handpiece. Okay, and it's actually pretty nice. Like, it doesn't feel too heavy or too light. It's like the perfect weight. And it comes with this little thing in here, and this is just to make sure your drill isn't sitting with nothing in it, because I heard that can mess up your drill if you have your drill sitting after you use it and it has nothing in the little thingy, whatever it's called. So it just says JD, no, not JD, JSDA, and these little numbers and stuff. Very nice. And it also has the R and S, so you can either open it or lock it, which is really nice because the drill that I have now, I don't think it came with that. Like the handpiece that actually comes with the drill that I have now, I don't think it came with that. Maybe it did and I just forgot. But yeah, this is really nice to have because this handpiece right here, you just stick the drill bits in there and they can fall out if it's too small or whatever. But for this one, once you stick it in there and you lock it, it's gonna stay in there. So I'll let you guys know how I like this drill once I start using it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Nails by Shauna, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.